This is the metal phone tripod mount with cold shoe. I have been using this for over a year now. I think this is a very good choice for video creators by phone. Let me show you why. It is made of metal, all metal parts, and some rubber pads. It can open up like this, so you can put a bigger phone in it. And it's pretty tight, you see. Even you do it like this, it still hold it tight. And they have two locking functions. The first one is this. It can lock the arm. So if you lock it, you can't pull any further and it locks very firm. And then you can still turn this part, and this part still have a lock too. So like this, now you're fully locked. And you see there's some screw holes, and here got two screw holes. You can put the plate right here or just put it on the tripod. But what's even better, you don't need to put the plate on because it is Aacar Swiss compatible. So you can just put this on the tripod directly. Like this. Now you can start shooting. It's very convenient. And you can turn like this. So basically all angle you can shoot. Another good part is it got cold shoe. So you can put your microphone on top of your phone. It's really convenient. I've been using this one for over a year now. I'm happy with it. I think it's very good quality and the spring is still tight. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. Hope this is helpful.